Hello. It's the first week of June is in the books. Last week had one big binary event, which was the job reports, and the market brushed aside and kept moving up. Let us try to see where we can go next. Let me start with SPY. This is the market profile, and the yellow line that you're seeing is the closing price of 2024. But notice the point of it was chopping around, and then it moved up and stabilized it, and looks like the next move up is on us. I know every one of us are surprised by the velocity of the down move and the velocity of the up move. It's almost at all-time high. With tariffs and layoffs, things are not good, but market has consumed all those and just kept moving up. We as a trader should accept this result and keep our trades in sync with the market, which means either we should be long or staying aside. It's not far from all-time high, which is 613 at a drawing. And notice the next one is 613. It has broken all those things on a daily basis. This is the weekly chart, and notice this yellow line. And if you have to have the short side back in play, it has to be below this last week's low, and that also is 2024. But let us look at the TTM. TTM is light blue, that was preceded by yellow, and in the past those yellow followed by light blue had a good move. Yellow followed here. I mean, there's no rule or reason that it should happen, but at least it looks like this rally has some teeth, whether we agree it or not. This is QQQ, not much different. 2025 one range, and then the second range, and we have to see where it goes. And this is the weekly chart. Notice it, the TTM has just turned light blue. So I will not be surprised that it hits the all-time high in the weeks or days or weeks to come. And as for the MAG7, Apple continues to be chopping around, and it has a TTM also, there's a red, so it's safe to just let it decide a direction for itself. It's neither going down nor it is going up. It is in a range. Amazon has had its golden cross, which means the 50 days has crossed the 200-day moving average, and it's light blue, so this has some teeth. So let's look at where it is going to go next. It has broken the 211, so the next target is 225. Again, these are just fib levels, and if it fails, it can go back to 201. Meta looks very good for an all-time high at a drawing, and yeah, Meta also broke out, and so it is towards 740 spec. This is Tesla with all the muss fight. It has now going back and is right at 200-day moving average. Let it play around here. It's never a good idea to hold long at 200-day, because it could go down or it could go up. But I'm looking at the monkey bars. Notice it had a selling tail, and it has, even yesterday it had a selling tail. So you might want to watch out if you are a Tesla long, because right now it's inside A, and it is at a 200-day moving average. This is NVDA. It's basically in a range. It had a selling tail here, and so basically it is nothing but in a range. And on the daily chart also, it is just having a consolidation. And let me look up the weekly. The weekly is same thing. It's consolidation going towards 153, and it has also has a TTM that is light blue. So the bias is for sure upside. And where is the target? Most likely it is 153. The key to all these things is VIX, and let us see where the VIX is. And VIX is just keeping going down and down. It is 16.77, so it's towards the lower end of the range. So be careful. If there is any spike, then we have some nice short opportunities in store for us. So in summary, for the coming week, my bias is certainly to the upside, but Trading is a difficult pursuit. If someone makes you feel that making money in the stock market is easy, be cautious. It is a skill, and like any valuable skill, trading must be learned, practiced, and refined over time. That's exactly why I created this web-based training program. You can learn at your own pace, and I have packed it with every tool and strategy I have personally used, when to use, how to apply, and when they work, etc. It is frustrating, and you learn with expensive losses. Take a look, and if it is not right for you, there's a full money back guarantee.